watching out for you. This is Storm Team 8.
We've probably reached a stage where you have the umbrella essentially attached to you, at least in a pocket. That's going to continue to be the case. Don't leave home without it over the next several days, at least over the next couple days. Right now, rain's already starting to move in here into West Michigan. Let's close in the view a little bit, and you'll be able to see in Ottawa County, also in Allegan County, a few showers out there at the present time. Nothing too heavy. The heaviest showing up right around the Holland location. We'll track this into the Grand Rapids area, and not too far away, moving east at about, or actually northeast, about 30 miles an hour. So we're talking about the next, I'd say 25 to 35 minutes before it arrives in your location out there. And overall, we're going to see more showers and thunderstorms overtake the area. Here's another round. Heavier showers and thunderstorms showing up in northwestern suburbs of Chicago. There is a severe thunderstorm warning for this one. Just check the SPC site. The latest observations show that about penny-sized hail with this thunderstorm. Let's take a look at this and see when this one, if it could arrive here, if it stays together over Lake Michigan, which these are kind of elevated, so I would expect they certainly could reach in the lakeshore area about between 3.5 to 4 hours away. We're looking at Grand Rapids, US 131, about 4.5 hours away. So showers and thunderstorms certainly are possible this afternoon. I'm not expecting severe weather, but if we do get an isolated severe thunderstorm, it does appear it'd be mainly hail out of these elevated type of thunderstorms. This is a massive chunk of a lot of rain. This is all drifting to the north and east, and if you notice closely, you can see how one thunderstorm cell actually moves over another. That is my concern. We call those training of storms, and those are the cases that really lead to flooding out there. In the same view, look at farther to the north. Well, there's snow. There's going to be a lot of snow in and around the Minneapolis area and eventually into Wisconsin. So a big storm system now forming, and that one certainly will have a bearing on our weather, it looks like. Here's the latest on the weather alerts. Winter storm watch is off to our north and west and Minnesota and also northern Wisconsin and western UP. At the same time, a severe thunderstorm watch in much of Illinois and also in the southeastern parts of Iowa. So far, nothing here today. That could be a different story, though, tomorrow. Temperatures, 51 degrees in Grand Rapids, 53 Kalamazoo, still some 40s out there. For instance, 47 in Fremont at the present time. Fremont, you'll warm up into the 50s, but it's not going to feel like it's in the 50s thanks to this east wind at 16 to 20 miles an hour, actually 10 to 20 miles an hour all day long. This wind is going to be with us right on through Friday. Infrared satellite radar composite. The area of low pressure that's a culprit for all of this eventual rain and potential severe weather still in the panhandle of Texas. As it heads up in the Great Lakes, it's going to continue tapping a whole lot of Gulf moisture, which it already has, and that's going to bring it right into the Great Lakes and deepen as it does so. So that's why I'm really concerned about the potential of severe weather for tomorrow. 51 degrees in Grand Rapids off to the south. You can see that it's very warm temperatures along the Ohio River Valley and southern Mississippi River Valley, and some of that warmth is going to make its way into here. 24-hour forecast out there, 52 at 6 o'clock with some showers and thunderstorms out there, most of which initially north of I-94, and you can see where the heavier rain will be tonight, at least throughout the evening hours. Then it overtakes the rest of the area as a warm front lifts through. Temperatures will actually climb after midnight into the 50s. Look out, here comes the squall line right around the noon hour over central Lake Michigan, moving in early afternoon. And even if this forecast model isn't right with the exact timing of it, I still expect some type of scenario with a strong line of thunderstorms moving through and some embedded severe thunderstorm cells. Rain forecast, that's the other aspect of the storm system. We don't need any more rain. It looks like it's just going to pile up. This is by 6 o'clock. During the evening hours, in some areas such as Muskegon could see 4 inches worth of rain. Grand Rapids about 2 inches. So it looks like it's more heavy flooding rains heading our way. Much colder air pours in Friday, probably a wind advisory on Friday, and then gradually warming up towards the tail end of the weekend. More rain expected, looks like Monday and Tuesday of next week.